Let's check out all the features of the Owl 3 conference camera. Experience seamless collaboration with the Meeting Owl 3, offering 360 degrees video in stunning 1080p HD. This smart device captures 360 degrees audio up to 18 feet, ensuring everyone is heard. Automatic speaker focus shifts attention to whoever is speaking, enhancing participation. A complete view of the room keeps remote participants engaged, as if they're there. Setting up is a breeze. Go from unboxing to your first meeting in under 7 minutes. Just plug in the power and USB, launch your video conferencing platform, and you're set. Manage your meetings effortlessly through desktop, mobile, or tablet apps. Enjoy universal compatibility with major video conferencing platforms like Zoom and Google Meet. The Meeting Owl 3 gets smarter over time thanks to the Owl Intelligence System TM. This system now focuses on people 4 times faster, keeping meetings dynamic. Stay up to date effortlessly with Wi-Fi-enabled software upgrades and enhancements. Expand your video and audio reach in larger spaces by pairing 2 Meeting Owls. Or add an expansion mic for even greater audio coverage. Enhance your hybrid room setup with compatible accessories like the Whiteboard Owl. Meeting HQ integration ensures your meetings run smoothly with centralized control. Transform any space into a collaborative hub with the Meeting Owl 3, where better collaboration begins.